Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the all-new Yamaha Wolverine X4 2019. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to show you a little bit about the kit and do a walk around. You'll notice on the front of the vehicle we've placed the three 3/4 inch amber LEDs as follows. You can take and put those anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch hole. This is just a suggestion that you can use. Over here on the inside of the cab, you'll notice a car-style lever. The same type of lever that's in your car is installed in this kit. We've included indicator lights up on the dash to let you know that the turn signals are on. Down is left, just like it is in your car. One of the cool things about this kit is it ties into the stock taillight housing, as you can see here. No additional holes or anything to drill in the back. Nice and bright. To relieve the turn signals, just go back up with the lever. You also have the four-way hazard function with this kit. Simply pull out on the lever. You'll see the indicator lights are flashing there on the front and around the back. All the lights are flashing there. To relieve the four-way hazard function, all you're going to do is come up with the stock lever and go up or down. Horn button's integrated into the end as well. Also, with the Ryco kit, it's going to include all your license plate mounting hardware. It's going to go right here. It comes with an LED to illuminate the plate at night, required by law here in Utah. The Ryco Street Legal kit is going to come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of two mirrors. You can see on this machine we've installed a left view mirror here and a center view. You can accomplish it that way or with a left view and a right view. It's completely up to you. If you have any questions or need help getting your machine street legal, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web, bigpinesports.com.